Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to pin a row in Excel. Okay, if you want that any row which should be visible while scrolling, or so basically in Excel it is called freeze. Okay, so if you want to pin a row or freeze a row, what you have to do, here you will see I have created this chart, okay, or created this table, and I want that throughout the scrolling years principal this row should be visible. Okay, after if I scroll throughout the scroll, I want that this row should be visible. Okay, so what you have to do to freeze the row, so first you have to select next row. Okay, if I want to freeze or pin this row, I have to select this row. Okay, 10th row. If I want to freeze 9th row, so I have to select 10th row. Then you have to go to view. Okay, then here you will see freeze pane option. Just click on freeze pane. Okay, then you will see, if I just scroll down, you will see principal this row is freezed. Okay, so like this you can pin a row or freeze a row in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.